Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Charger, guys. And if you need to find the relay for the rear window defroster, stay with us and we'll explain where it's located in this video today, guys. You may have up to 2 relays that you need to check. Sometimes you will have 1, sometimes you will have 2. We'll explain why. We will teach you how to test the relays, and if your rear window defroster still doesn't work, we'll talk what else can cause that. So make sure to stay until the end. We'll cover very helpful information that can save you quite a bit of time and money. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix practically almost anything, guys. Engines, transmissions, we take them completely apart. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. And Dodge Charger, we'll be taking it completely apart. Not to say a big word, but probably we'll have close to 500 free repair videos. If you need to buy any parts, tools, relays, fuses, anything for a good price, quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below, and you can save a ton of money. So let's start on it now. So let me show you now here, guys. You have a main fuse box, okay, right here. This is your main fuse box. It's located under the hood. You press here, open it, and that's the fuse box, relays and numbers. But your relay for the rear window defroster is not here. It's actually in the trunk of the vehicle. So let's get there and show you what we need to check now. So we're in the trunk. We're going to flip that thing open like that. Here you have the car battery, you have the fuse box, spare tire, and that fuse box, if you press right here, you will open that lid, okay? And that lid now, guys, okay, we just flip it that way. The relays that we need to check now, guys, okay, will be the first relay that we need to check, okay, will be actually relay number 13, guys. We're talking about relay number 13. This relay right here, okay, needs to be checked. That's the relay for the rear window defroster. Now if you want to see how to test the relay, we'll put a link in the description of the video below how you can do that. Check out the link, it will teach you and you will know how to do that. If you need to buy replacement relays, we'll share the link in the description of the video below where you can get them from for a really good price and quick shipping, and you can save a ton of money. Now you may have one more relay, guys, okay, and that one, guys, okay, will be actually relay 28. We're talking about that second relay right here. That could be yours too, depending on the year, build, configuration, model, all that stuff. So hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with that. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.